Hello and welcome again to other new chapter of Azure SQL Academy. Very often we receive questions about how to measure the time spent executing one query or several queries between your application and until your application receives the result from SQL Azure. In this chapter number 11, we are going to show you how to check the SQL command execution times and other parameters using one function or property called retrieve statistics of the SQL connection object of .NET. This is the following agenda. First of all, we are going to show you how to obtain the script, the PowerShell script. You could go to this source in the hub and download this file. Second one is the instructions to use this. You could go to our blog and obtain the instruction how to do it. Following, we are going to show you how to configure the parameters, and finally, we are going to show you how to run the PowerShell scripts. My name is Jose Manuel Jurado. I'm a support escalation engineer working in Microsoft, subject master expert in this technology, and speaker in some events. Okay, let's go. Let's go to starter. Okay, we have the PowerShell right now. We download this file in this folder, SQL connectivity test. I specify the different parameter. This is my server, SQL database, the username, password, and we are going to specify three parameters that is very important for this test. The first one is pooling. As you know, connection pooling, it's a very good option for us when you establish the connection and when you establish the connection. Instead to create a new socket, a new TCP port, each time that you are connecting to the SQL, pooling means that SQL client application will reuse the connection, saving sometimes sometime in when you try to establish the connection. We are going to execute this query 10 times, and also we have two options here. One of them is if you have this file tsql.sql in this folder, this application will read the contents of this file and will try to execute this SQL command statement each byte each, this number of time and if you don't have this file, this PowerShell script just only will try to run the select space one, just only the number of execution times that you prefer, 10 times. So once we have the connection established, we are going to change the property statistics enable to enable the statistics that we are going to show you how to obtain this. We are going to create a command, and for each time that we execute this query or the number of queries on the file or just only select one, you're going to have several parameters that is very important to measure. The connection time, for example, the execution plan of the query, connection time, some server round trips, buffer received, number of queries, byte sends, byte receives. So as you can see, just only calling these properties, retrieve statistics, you are going to have all this information. In this case, we are going to save this information in this file in clog SQL connecting test my.log, and we are going after show you how to obtain this information. So we are going to run it. First of all, I'm going to delete this file. Yeah, perfect. So let's try. Okay, the process finished. I'm going to show you this one. This is the contents of the file. As you can see, for the number of interactions that we have select 1, select 2, select 3. This is the execution time for this PowerShell command. This is the time of to connect to the SQL, the execution time, etc. So you could see all the time. One thing that I would like to share with you, this is also, as you could see, the execution time is 254. 54 means the summary of the all time of time server, etc. So that means that my server is located in North Europe and this client server is located in West Europe. So it's normal to have this time of execution. So for this reason, our recommendation is always to use or always to place or locate your server, your client server in the same data center that your database is running. Okay. If you need or if you have any other questions, please send me an email, gmcurado@microsoft.com. And thank you so much for attending this session. And I hope that you enjoy this with this script. Thank you so much. Bye.